DIY, sis. If you don't know how to do your own hair, then what are you doing? What are you doing, sis? So that's why you need to stay tuned. Hello, thanks for clicking on my video. It's Kaya Danielle, and look, I did my knotless braids. And if you want to see me do this look, keep watching this video. So right here, I'm just struggling to part. You already know the struggle of doing your own hair. So yeah, I'm just trying to get these parts as straight as possible. And yeah, I have until Sunday to finish, so I'm just taking my time doing them. They turned out really, really nice. Left a lot of baby hairs out. And yeah, I'm just so excited for these braids. Like, I think they look so bomb. Y'all, it's a process when you're doing your hair yourself. When you got somebody sitting there doing your hair, you don't feel it. But when you're doing it yourself, baby, oh, you gonna feel it. You gonna feel it. Trying to clean up my parts as much as possible. Y'all, these braids go on my butt. Let me show you. They literally go on my butt. Past my butt. Actually. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This little piece threw me off. It's always that little piece of hair that would not do right. Still using my Shining Jam. It's the best for braiding. And y'all don't mind my TV. I'm watching the news. Or even once. That was way too many times. Just braid your regular hair one time, and then you're gonna add in one little piece of hair. Feed it in, as you can see. Now I'm gonna start getting. Try to do it like I did. I don't know if you can, but just look closely and do it, please. I encourage every black girl to learn how to do their own hair. It's very convenient. Very, very convenient. You don't gotta worry about booking no appointments. Now, I don't know how many hairs I'm adding in here, because you know every braid is different. Hell no. Okay, that's not gonna work. Yeah, that was too big. See this one? That was too big. Not even about to do this one over. I'm just about to keep going. Okay, sis. This is that one little feed in. That feed in was too big. So just look out for little stuff like that. Cause you don't want bulky feed in. You want it to be natural looking. Okay. Natural, natural, natural. That's cool. That's cool, okay. And people ain't gonna be all in your head too, looking for where your braid feed in at. So if they do, then if they do that, you might as well call their ass the hair police. Cause it was never that serious. Serious if you paying your money though. If you paying your money for somebody else to do your hair and they don't do it right, well, yeah, then that's a problem. But if you're doing it yourself, then you let shit, certain shit fly. But me, honey bun. So this feeding is okay. This braid is okay. It's not all that. I did better braids than this. Flip it around and start braiding like this. Cause at times my hand get tired, and this way I can see the braid too. And as I'm going, I'm just adding some gel, you know, on my fingers. Braiding the rest of the way. I'm gonna show y'all how I get the length in a second. Once I get this braided. My hair is gonna smell so good. Alright, now I could go ahead and add in the ends of the hair. And this is how I make the braid longer. I just add it in to right here. Push, braid, like normal braiding. That's all you do. That's how easy feeding is. Just braid. Just add the hair and then braid like normal. That's it. My thumb, putting that right there. Putting this back here. Okay. Now, I'm gonna just braid this in like it's regular. Just braid it in, then pull this down like that, and then it's automatically gonna blend right there. Then look, just keep braiding. That's how easy feeding is. That's how I don't know why people don't do it on this. Y'all, I'm almost finished, but I ran out of hair. I ran out of hair. Ooh. No. I'm tired.
Tell me what it was like when you got that message from Tommy.
It was overwhelming. You know, they were asking, where's Daddy? You know, and I already
My
watched
boo
it.
home.
What we gonna call when it's slide too hard?
And he bought my
Slide them
favorite.
cars.
Call the emergency room physician.
So guys, I finished my hair. This is the finished product. I sprayed some. Okay. I sprayed some of this on it to keep it like in place, cause you know knotless can get a little frizzy. So I just sprayed this on there, and I did my ends. So looks like this, and they're very long. So I'm about to put this. Oh no, that's not my thumbnail because I'm about to get cute and then do my thumbnail. So this is what I use.
Goodness, what are you saying?
I'm gonna give y'all updates on this oil.
Are afraid of taking this particular vaccine because they have a sense that it's being rushed and they're worried about safety and efficacy. So when you look at those three things, the question, when the vaccine becomes available, and somebody says, I'm not going to take it, could an